Meaning of Frederick Ashton.
Frederick Ashton.
Frederick Ashton.
Frederick Ashton.
Frederick Ashton. Frederick Ashton, 1904 to 1988, was an influential British ballet dancer and choreographer. He is known for his unique style of choreography which blended classical ballet with modern elements, creating dynamic and expressive performances. Ashton held various prominent positions in the ballet world, including as the director of the Royal Ballet and as a founding member of the Royal Ballet School. Throughout his career, Ashton created over 100 ballets, many of which are still performed today by companies around the world. His impact on the dance world continues to be felt and celebrated today.